Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a 2003 Volvo S40 1.9T on the channel. This is truly a unicorn, only 50,000 miles and one owner. Let's get this beauty fired up. And let's go take a look outside. Now, for those of you who do not know, this was actually a joint effort with Mitsubishi to develop this car, and this vehicle rides on the Mitsubishi Charisma platform. So this is fundamentally a Mitsubishi with the Volvo influence. From the side profile, you can definitely see that Japanese 90s style, but under the hood, you're going to find the 1.9T and the Volvo badge. And I'm of course hoping that Volvo also did do some safety modifications to it, make it more safer, make it more safe than it was before. Now today's test drive is going to be divided into two portions. First is going to be a little bit of commentary, and then just some quiet driving. We have actually borderline soft slash hard plastic here. It's almost hard to touch, but it has a little bit of softness to it. This is all soft, same trim as in the XC70 from that era. Let's hop in the back. Oh, you can definitely tell this is a smaller car. I'm 6'2", and well, to be real, it is pretty darn tight here, but if you put your legs here, you still got some space. So even for somebody like my height, you can still survive here in the back for a trip. It's actually not bad. You got these right here. Excellent condition of the headliner. Nice interior. Push. And this is lit. There we go. And of course, the child locks always. There we go. As you can see, windows, everything works. Now, there it is, I think. Huh, interesting. I don't see the hood release lever. Yep, here is our trunk. It's actually a quite decent size for this class. You got all your factory floor mats too. There we go. Now I just gotta figure out how to open the hood right here. There it is. There we go. I think that should do it. I hope it does it. And there's the switch, release switch. Ta-da. Everything looks nice. We got the dipstick. Everything is really easy to see. Yep, there. Even the headlight washers, how nice. Now here, look at the condition of this interior. It's flawless for the age. The seats, not a single hint of any wear, nor the steering wheel. What a cool car. And here we are treated to this late 80s, early 90s vibe. It's very tight, like very tight. The roof is low, and this is a tight car. On the dashboard, it reminds me of the Daewoo Nexia or Opel Kadett. Same design. Let's do a washer test, wiper test. Heated seats right here, driver, passenger. Sweet. So let's get going. Yeah, you can definitely tell how cars have upsized over the years. Like an S60, a modern S60, which is considered a small luxury sedan, feels like enormous compared to this car. This feels smaller than a new Corolla. it is peppy. Let me tell you that. Quick acceleration. You know, it's a really peppy little car. It sounds a lot like the 2.5Ts, and the 2.4Ts has that whine at the very end. I love it. The ride quality is excellent. It doesn't even feel like a compact car. It feels like it's a mid-size, proper luxury sedan. And it's very composed. Steering is direct, instant. Lots of torque under the pedal. Very torquey car. Now the good thing, the brakes don't have to work so hard because it is a light car. So it's really effortless on the stopping distance. Great stopping power. I also like these seats. They hug you nicely, typical Volvo fashion. Even a soft dashboard. Shifts are crisp from this automatic gearbox. You do feel them, but they are nice and smooth, but you feel them. You can also tell that this car was cared for very well. I mean, everything here is OEM. Lovely. And I feel good in this car. I like it. It's cozy. It's really enjoyable to be in this cabin. It's like a, you know, a cozy coffee shop with those 90s vibes. And this is probably more fun to drive than a lot of newer cars out there. Like, this is a great car to take in, you know, on like some back roads. You can just see how planted it is too. Another thing that I noticed about this car is it doesn't provoke you to drive fast. You just want to sit back, relax, sip some coffee, and just enjoy the drive. It doesn't provoke you to drive crazy. That's what I like about it. This is a great car for somebody to learn to drive on, like their first car. So easy to drive, excellent visibility. gonna cut up like that. He got so offended. Oh boy. I love it. Look at that. Neat, huh? This thing can definitely move, like, for a 1.9 liter. Bro was flooring that thing the whole time. Like, sure it accelerates faster, but like, he's still right beside me. Dang, this baby is quick. Dang, lovely. Now he chilling. That's what's up. I love it. I love it. Nah, but I love how bro got so offended by a Volvo doing a little flyby. Nah, this is a peppy little car. You put a tune on this thing, like another 30-40 horsepower, and you're playing with some serious cars. Like even stock, you can play with serious cars. Again, keep in mind, this is a 1.9 liter compact car. It's not some, you know, S60R. So impressed by this car. It's so quick. I love it. And the brakes, no fade. Brakes are still great like they were. But this summarizes our test drive. I gotta say, I highly like this car. It's actually one of my favorite drives from that era. Such an athletic, nimble, quick car. And it's a joy to drive. It's stable, it's very planted. As you can see, pushes good speeds without a problem. Like, you can really make other sports cars work for it, you know, as they say, to get, you know, to pass you if you're gunning it. This thing is quick, but personally I would not be driving it in that fashion whatsoever. I would just be chilling if I were driving this. It's just a perfect car to chill in and relax. And the gas mileage, haven't even burned up any fuel, like maybe a gallon at like most, even in this driving style. Nimble, great suspension. Gosh, I wish Volvo still made cars like this with these engines and that feel. What a blast. But let me know what you thought about this test drive. I hope you all had fun. It was definitely really cool. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.